we unveil the best universal settings to ensure your camera is as versatile as your adventures. Let's discover how to configure your Sony ZV-1 II for universal appeal. For a start, set your image quality to fine. This ensures your photos are captured with high detail without taking up as much space as extra fine. Perfect for balancing quality and storage. Switch to Program Auto Mode. It's a versatile setting that automatically adjusts to lighting conditions while giving you the freedom to override certain parameters. Ideal for both beginners and those spontaneous moments. Keep your ISO setting on Auto. This allows the ZV-1 II to intelligently adjust sensitivity based on your environment. For exposure, set the exposure compensation to date 0 for balanced shots, adjusting as needed based on lighting. And just like that, your Sony ZV-1 II is set to capture the essence of any scene,